3/4, and full. Let's go, Newport. 20. Bring it up, that's 19. Send it in, that's 18. Hard, send it, that's 17. 16, bring the pressure up, that's 15. Send it, that's 14. That's it, Newport, that's 13. Send it, that's 12. 11, we're sitting on that board, so that's 9. Send it in, that's 8. Let's go, Newport, that's 7. 6, send it up, that's 5. 4, send it, that's 3. 2, let's pick it up, Newport, that's 1. There we go, settle down to a 32. Settle down and press it in. Slow and send it, that's it. We're 45 seconds in. And what do I need to do, Anna? Let's do a power 10 on this one. Sending it in, that's 10. Bring the pressure up in 9. 8, we're sitting on Long Beach's 3 seats. That's 7. 6. 5, send it in. That's 4. There we go, Newport. That's 3. 2. And 1. Let's go, Newport. Picking up the pressure on this one. We're 115 and we're at a 32. Excuse me, 33. Pressing the blade in and sending it. I'm sending on Long Beach's bow deck. We're going to walk it past on this one, sending with hard strokes. Keeping the boat set, backing the blade in. There we go. We're going to walk it past on this one. High 15, that's 15. 14, backing the blade in, that's 13. There we go, Newport, that's 12. 11, sitting on the red boat, coxswain seat. 8, sending that 7. There we go, Newport, that's 6. Set it in. We do it for our team. We walk it past for our coaches. Setting the blade in and send it. There we go. Power 10 on this one. I'm sitting on their coxswain seat. Power 10, that's 10. We're going to pressure up in 9. Setting in, Newport, let's go, that's 8. 7, walking it past hard, that's 6. There we go, that's 5, Newport, don't give up, that's 4. Setting in, that's 3. 250, that's 1. Send it, Newport, let's go. Last race of the day, let's go right here. All your teammates are watching right now. What decision are we going to make? Let's go, Newport. Bring the pressure up on this one. We're in first place right now. Let's go. Do not lose your place. High strokes on this one. Setting it in. Let's go. There we go, Newport. Power 10 on this one. Sitting on their stern. Let's walk it past to their 17 on this one. To their 17. Sending it in. Let's go, Newport. I'm on their 5 seat. Walk it past on this one. Sending it hard. Full strokes. No turning back. No mercy on Long Beach. Sending it hard. We're 250 in. 34. 500 meters in. Bring the pressure up to a 34. Pull away on this one. We're at a 34. Bring the pressure up to a 34. Sending it hard on this one. No looking back. Bring the pressure up. Sending it. Power 10 on this one. Sending it in. Let's go, Newport. Power 10. That's 10. Bring the pressure up in 9. Send it in 8. Let's go, Newport. That's 7. Sending it in. That's 6. We got it, Newport. Let's go. That's 5. Sitting on their start. Bring the pressure up. That's 4. Send it in. That's 3. Walking past into 350 meters to go, Newport. They are walking past us. Bring the pressure up. Send it past. No mercy, Newport. I'm sitting on their coxswain seat. We have to win this, Newport. Let's go. We do it for our team. 250 meters. Last 250. Bring the pressure up. Sending it hard. We're in first place, Newport. Do not take that away from you. Sending it in. Power 10. That's 10. 9. Sprint on this one. Sprint, Newport. Sprint. We got it. We're in first place, Newport. Send it. Send it hard. We got it. Sending it in. I'm on their coxswain seat. Walk me past, Newport. Let's go. Send it. Let's go, Newport. Sit up. Power 10. That's 10. Send it in. That's 9. Press it in. That's 8. Send it, Newport. Let's go.
how we win.